to go? I'm so cold. Oh, there's a light. Finally, there's my house. Thank you, mysterious light.
Ah, it was a strange day, but I'm so tired.
Don't be alarmed. We've met before, as it was I who guided you. I know you may not listen to me because of my size or because I'm an animal, but always remember that wisdom and power can be found in the smallest things. And don't ignore those who don't have a voice, for the rivers and trees also deserve a place.
Wow, it was true. It really happened.
I saw it in my dreams. It is true. It was an ant with a pinkish bud. It's time to realize that our true God is an ant. It's the great Eid. Our religion is going to be Ormant. It is going to guide us to peace. Come with me and the great Eid will guide us. Long live the great Eid. The great Eid. The great Eid. The great Eid.
This is one of the many holidays in Ormant religion, where it's called Earth Day. You have to do something kind for the earth, such as picking up garbage or planting a tree. This is another one of Ormant's festivities, where we celebrate the first time that the Great Eid appeared to Alana with a feast. But since we already feasted, now we have to exchange presents, one for each member of your family. The final holiday in this religion is celebrating the death of Alana, our prophet, or more likely, the life that she lived. During this time, you need to wear white clothes and have lilies in your house. The lilies symbolize purity, devotion, and humility.
Hooray for Alana!
Above everything, nature is sacred.
Life is sacred.
Cause no intentional harm to others. Sorry.
This is a ritual that Ormantrians perform at least once a month, where they plant a tree, gather around it, and grab onto their elbow fat and chant.
I want a yacht and a mansion and a limousine and chandel clothes and beer clothes and many clothing stuff.
Desire within reason.
Wisdom and power can be found in the smallest things. Don't ignore those who don't have a voice, for trees and rivers also deserve a place in this world.
I thank it for everything he has given me.
I pray to the great Eid for fortune in the future.
The afterlife, a very interesting subject in any religion. In the Ormant religion, we believe.
You've talked to me. In the Ormant religion, we believe that when you die, depending on your actions, you go to hell or hell for a certain amount of time.
There, if you're in heaven, once you complete that certain amount of time, you can decide whether to stay there, in heaven, or to re-enter the cycle of birth.
But if you are in hell, you must reincarnate and try again.
And now, to conclude our presentation, we will sing the international anthem of Ormant.
Do you wanna worship an ant? Come on, let's go and pray. Our prophet saw it in her dreams. It spoke the truth. It let her all believe. Its body is kind of pinkish and glossy in the dark. It taught us to respect the earth. Do you wanna worship an ant? The great will listen to us now.